It's probably the best customizable screenshot software ever for your computer. It allows you to select any area of your screen and do whatever action you desire to do afterwards without any issue. Above all, it's free. Download and installation. Hello and welcome once again to this brand new video about this program, Lightshot, an easy to use application for Windows and Mac. First of all, let's go to my computer and see how you can download and install the software. Open your browser and go to Google. Type search Lightshot. There you can see the suggested search phrases which users have used before you. Look at this very first search result. This one, Lightshot Screenshot Tool for Mac and Windows. This is exactly what we're seeking. Click Open. Here you are. This is the application official site. This is the name of the app. On the top right, you can see the two supported platforms, Windows and Mac. In my case, I click on Windows. Your download starts immediately. You may notice the file size. It's not a big one. The version I'm downloading is just 2.65 megabytes. Click on the downloaded file name or search for it in your default download folder to launch installation. Choose your language. Click on I accept the agreement. Of course, you are obliged to. At the very end of the installation process, you get this message. You'll see also this first key instruction. To start using the software, click on the print screen button on your keyboard to take a screenshot. How to use Lightshot. As soon as you click on the print screen button, you notice that your screen light is dimmed. It gets darker, as if a dark shadow is being casted upon it. This is a sign that the screenshot feature of Lightshot is working. In some keyboards, clicking on the print screen button alone doesn't work. What's the solution then? You must click simultaneously on the function button and the print screen one to activate Lightshot. What you should do now is to click and drag. Where to click? You click at the point from where your selection must begin. Then you have to keep clicking and dragging till the point where your selection is to finish. Depending on your personal needs and what you want exactly, you can do the following. Upload, share, social networks, search for similar images on Google, print, copy. Open any type of documents or any website. Click in a certain point, drag till the end of the desired selection. Now you have already copied it. Go to the file you are working on, either it is a Word file, an Excel file, or a picture. and paste the copied screen capture normally and easily by clicking on the Ctrl+V shortcut. Save. The first time you try to save, and after defining the area to copy, click on the folder. Lightshot suggests to create its own folder in My Documents. Feel free to choose another folder if you like. You'll see that Lightshot has created an editable file name. As I previously said, this happens only at the first time you try to save a screenshot. Starting from the second time, the operation will be quicker and easier. Make your selection and click Ctrl+S to save directly to your default folder. Go to check and find your saved files there. Editing. Rectangle tool. In some cases, you want to highlight an item, a paragraph or even a word, and you need to draw a clearly visible rectangle around it. This free software helps you to do so. Make as many rectangles as you want on your screenshot. The app doesn't allow you to draw just simple rectangles. You may choose this arrow tool, text tool, etc. Then you save. Upload to your own cloud library. In some situations, it's so useful to have one's screenshots somewhere other than the hard disk of the computer you're using. Lightshot is a safe and secure place. It allows you to have access to them from anywhere in the world. If you are already logged in, you can have a look at your gallery containing your previous screenshots. Then you can copy the link of any picture. You can delete any file you want or rename it. You can right-click and have many options popping up. Take a screenshot, upload it, but you should be logged in first. If you hover over your logged username, you can either access to your gallery or log out. Please bear in mind that some antivirus apps may prevent you from logging in into your Lightshot account and also from viewing your screenshots gallery. Funny tricks. Screenshot from any video. If you desire getting a high quality screenshot, make sure you choose a high resolution while watching any video. Pause the video at the right moment. Click Print Screen to save the image. Fine-tune selection. After selecting the wanted area within your screen, you're able to click and drag to move your selection to place it exactly on the borders of the image. Fine-tune your selection by clicking on one of these dots. Click and drag. Inserting a screenshot into a Word file. Create a text zone and paste your screenshot into it to be able to manipulate it more freely and place it wherever you would like. Please don't place your screenshot image directly on your existing text, otherwise you'll be limited to very few movements. Browser extensions. In the home page of the official site, go to various platforms on the right bottom. Choose your browser and install the extension. Don't forget to activate it by accessing to extensions list in your browser settings. Here in Morocco, we are using French versions of almost all apps. Here's an idea. At any time, you can access to their site and learn more if you want to. There, you'll find some short videos in a form of tutorials. Today, there are 13 videos available. That's all I have to say about this simple and intuitive tool. If you know this software, please tell me a little bit about your experience in the comments below. Prove you exist by writing some words for the community. Before leaving, I would like to ask you to support this channel by subscribing, liking and commenting my videos without forgetting to activate the notification bell to be the first to watch my new posts. Thank you for watching.